Hey guys, what's up? It's Tip by Lobo. I have a very exciting surprise today. I bought Kylie Jenner's $600,000 Rolls Royce Cullinan Pebble Beach Edition in OnlyFans Blue. It is stunning. It has $150,000 of custom upgrades. Let me give you a tour. Okay, so here we have the first feature which I love is the custom crystal spirit of ecstasy that pops out when you unlock the car. Look how stunning this is. Okay, so here we have 24-inch blacked out rims, which is just so sexy. I love the all blacked out look with the blue. I think it is just such a good contrast and it makes the car look perfect. Let's go check out the back seat. Okay, let's check out the back seat first. So, beautiful interior. I have all white, wood, blacked out. It is so elegant. We also have custom umbrellas on the sides for in case it's a rainy night and me and my date maybe needed to not get wet. So you just pull it out right here. There's a button and you have yourself a long umbrella. You have two custom Rolls Royce umbrellas. Very cool. A little addition to the car. We're going to pop that right back in. Perfect. When you open up a backseat to a Rolls Royce, you don't see any flat mats. You see a custom wool crafted carpet. It is beautiful. It is meant to be like basically a first class experience. So if you've ever been in a Rolls Royce or had a driver pick you up in a Rolls Royce, sometimes they'll tell you to take your shoes off because this experience is what makes the Rolls Royce so luxury. They're stunning. I mean, look at how thick, how plush they are. That's one of my favorite parts of the car. Then you can come over here and you can see there is a custom audio system for each passenger. So if you're in the backseat of my car, you're gonna have a custom entertainment system and all you have to do is press this button and your entertainment system opens up just like that. So each individual entertainment system for both backseat passengers is Bluetooth compatible and you can watch anything you desire. You can also attach your apps to it. You can see where you're going. You can play your own music. You can have your own headset attached. It's really such a luxury experience. And you basically have this like airplane tray as if you are in first class. So this makes the backseat very, very, very luxury. And then if you want to close it, you just click that button and it closes on up for you. So you can check out the interior. It is white with the brown stitching and it has a special Rolls Royce logo on the chairs, as in all the Rolls Royces, but I specifically love the color combo of the cream and the wood brown coloring. I think it's so special. I think it's so luxury. And then you can see that there's like blacked out seats, which I think is so beautiful with brown stitching down here as well. You can also see that the seating has ventilation systems, so you can cool, you can heat the seats. Each passenger in the back, as well as in the front, is able to have such a luxury ride. It is such a beautiful car. There's also a cooling system down by the feet or a heating system. So if you're in a cold day, a warm day, you are gonna be at perfect temperature, perfect comfort. And then to close the doors, there is a button that you just hold down right here, and I'll see you later. JK, let's go to the front seat. So here we are in the front seat. Follow me. We have a beautiful interior. Once again, we have the blacked out with the wood finish, which I think is such a luxury touch. I think it's so stunning. It's classic. It's badass with the white seats. It is so beautiful. You can even come in here and see it says still, welcome Kylie. I should probably change that, but for now, I guess I'm Kylie. So here we have the center console, which is made to perfection. The one thing I love about Rolls Royce is how important details are to whoever created this vehicle. You can see how seamless it is from the leather to the metal to the wood. Everything is perfection. We also have a 10.5-inch screen right here that is going to control your audio, your navigation, and all of your control systems for the vehicle. We also have the air vent system, which is right here, and you can see over there as well. So how it works is you pull this out to open up the vent, and to close it, you push it back in. It has a super powerful system. It offers soft, medium, high, and max. If you want cold, you put it all the way to the left, which creates that whole blue marker there, and then if you want it to be hot, all the way to the right. There's also seat coolers, seat heaters, which is an awesome upgrade, which I love, which has been super convenient as it's getting colder now, and I love that. Let's get to the sound system. There's 18 speakers, and they usually call a Rolls Royce a studio on wheels because the cabin's background noise level is below 40 dB, which is quieter than any recording studio, which is making the experience when you listen to music and you have the doors closed and you're driving down the road, you feel like you're in a different dimension. It is so peaceful. The sound it's amazing. Another really cool feature is being able to close my passenger seat door by holding down this button, and door is closed. I can also close my own door if you hold it down. Bye. What's that? So let's check out the last and final upgrade. So if you pop the trunk, you're gonna see I have custom tailgate seats. So how you do this is you come on in, and what you do is you're just gonna click this button, and they come out. So say I wanted to go for a picnic at the beach, take a date, have a friend maybe, or maybe I wanted to go tailgating. We've got 2 custom seats. You just open it up like that, and there is the center tray. So you can put your food on there, hop on the seats, post up. Don't you think this would make a perfect date? I do. You wanna join me? All right, let's close her up. You're gonna click that button, and it automatically just goes back into this little cubby. I think this is so cool. And then it automatically closes back up. Let's go back to the front. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the full tour of my luxury only kind of blue Rolls Royce, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.